Hey guys, scan this QR code and get any type of assignment help from us, or you can contact us on our WhatsApp or email. Okay, so let's start the assignment. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is Illustrated Excel 2019, Module 7, SAM Project 1B, Aloft Recruiting, Exchange Data with Other Programs. Okay, so here, as we can see, this is our instruction file and these are the project steps here. The first step is Jermaine Harris is a recruiter at Aloft Recruiting, which encourages employees to use their own cell phones while visiting clients. To help his colleagues purchase a new phone, Jermaine created an Excel workbook to compare phone and plans. He asked for your help to improve the appearance of the workbook and include data stored in other files. Go to the plan options worksheet in cell C1, insert the picture support underscore EX19 underscore 7b underscore phones.jpg. Okay, so here, this is our start file. This is our documentation worksheet. Here, the file name Illustrated Excel 2019, Module 7, SAM Project 1B, Aloft Recruiting Exchange Data with Other Programs, author name and note. Here, this is our plan options worksheet where we will do the instructions. Here, in cell C1, insert the picture phones.jpg. In cell C1, in this cell. Click on insert. Here illustrations, pictures. Place over cell this device. And from here we will select, one second, go to the downward section and we will select phones picture and then insert. Okay. Now adjust the phone's picture as follows to make it more attractive. Apply the brightness 20% positive, contrast 40% positive, correction to the picture. Sharpen the picture by 25% to remove the blurriness. Then add the tight reflection touching effect from the reflection gallery. Okay, so here we will go to the picture format tab, and from here we will select the brightness 20%, brightness 20% and contrast 40%. Brightness 20%, contrast 40%. One second, let me see. Where is it? Yeah, this one. And then sharpen the picture by 25%. Okay, so sharpen the picture by 25%. This one. And then add the tight reflection touching effect from the reflection gallery. Um, tight reflection touching effect. This one. Okay. Now the third instruction is Jermaine needs to add another shape and picture to the smart art on the worksheet to show four cell phone plans instead of three. He also wants to indicate that one includes a group discount. Okay. Here, add a shape and picture to the smart art as follows. Add a shape after the prepaid one shape. And then type prepaid 2 in the new shape. Then use the picture placeholder to add the picture support underscore ex19 underscore 7b underscore prepaid.png to the smart art. Add another shape after the contract to shape. Then type group discount in the new shape and then remove the new shape. Okay. So here we will go to the smart art. One second. Let me see the smart art. I think this one is the smart art. Yeah. Here we will add a shape after prepared one shape. Okay, so we will go to the smarter design. Then we will tap on add shape. Then we will use the picture placeholder to add the picture prepared PNG. Okay, so from this device and from here we will select the prepared image and then we will insert it. After that, add another shape after the contract to shape. Okay, contract to shape, this one, and then tap on add shape. And then type, sorry, type prepaid to in the new shape. Here, we will type prepaid to. And here, type group discount in the new shape and then demote the new shape. Group discount. Okay. And then demote the new shape. Mm, okay. Now the fourth instruction is here format the smart art as follows so that it coordinates more closely with the rest of the worksheet. Change the smart art colors to color fill accent 2. Apply the subtle effect smart art style. Okay, so basically this is not a whole tutorial video. There are total 11 instructions from which I have already explained you 2 instructions. Now for the rest of the assignment, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp or email, whatever you prefer. All the contact details are provided in the description box, so contact me and get any type of assignment help from there. In case any doubt, you can ask me through comment box. So thank you for watching my video.